In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit activities in Pipedrive. If you manage a lot of calls, meetings, or follow-ups, bulk editing can save you a ton of time by updating many activities at once instead of one by one. I'll walk you through it clearly so you feel confident making changes without missing a beat. Start by heading to the Activities section from the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your upcoming and past tasks live. When the activities list opens, you'll see your items organized in a table. Along the far left side of that table are small checkboxes. These are your selection controls for bulk editing. Click the checkboxes next to each activity you want to update. Choose only the ones you actually want to change. You can scroll and continue selecting as needed. If you're working with a long list, take a moment to visually confirm the titles, due dates, or owners so you're selecting the right set. Accuracy here is important because every change you apply will affect all the selected activities at once. As soon as you select at least one activity, a bulk edit panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is your control center for the update. It's designed to keep things simple by letting you set one or more fields that will be applied to all selected items. The panel usually shows options like changing the activity owner, adjusting due dates or times, updating the activity type, modifying the status, or adding notes and details. Take a moment to review the available fields so you know exactly what will be updated. Now, make your changes in the panel. For example, you might assign all selected activities to the same teammate, move their due dates to next week, or standardize the activity type. Double-check your choices to ensure they're correct for every selected activity. When everything looks good, click Edit to apply the changes. Pipedrive will process the update and reflect it across all the items you selected. After the edit completes, review a couple of the updated activities in the list to confirm the results. If something isn't right, you can repeat the selection process and run another bulk edit to fix it. And that's it. Quick, precise, and a lot faster than updating each activity one by one. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.